Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club and NIT Agartala. Here we will be discussing the problem of day 19 of 21-day challenge, and the title of the problem is Oreo. So in this problem, Raj has to make some patterns and you have to find out total number of distinct patterns that he can create. So how it is happening? See, Vedant is taking a test of Raj and he has presented Raj with magical pot containing X different type of flower. Each type is infinitely available. And alongside the pot, there are Y blocks, and Raj's task is to place a flower in each block and make distinct patterns. So, yeah, you have to tell how many distinct patterns Raj can create and print out the answer at modulo 10 power 9 to 7. And let's look at constants. So this is t is between 1 to 1000, but xy is between 1 to 10 power 17. So what would be the answer for this one? Think of the answer. Let's look at input while you think. So input is 3, 3, 4, 2, 3. This one. So what is the answer for 3, 3, 4? It is 81, 2, 3. It is 8. So how it is coming? See, you are given Y blocks and there are X flowers. So what would be the answer for this? Just imagine you can put X at every block, right? So you just need to multiply X Y times to know the total number of patterns that you can create, because that's how you can, that's the number of different types of pattern you can create by, see here, how. Uh, Here, just let's look at this example first to understand this, right? Here you are given 5 blocks. Okay, you can put m distinct types in every block. So here you can put m, here m, here m, same here m, and here m. So what would be the total number of distinct patterns you can create? It would be n power 5. How? Simple permutation, right? So same is for our question too. You are given xy. So the answer for this will be x power y. Here you can see for 3, 4, it is 81. 3 power 4 is 81, right? Similarly here for 2, 3, 2. But you can see constants are too high and you have to print out with modulo. Can you do it simply using power function? No, you can't. And if you think of running loop, that to 10 power 17 times, then no, it won't work too, because that's too long for the question. So you have to find out some easier way. So best way, one of the best way for this, the solution of this question will be using binary exponentiation. What is binary exponentiation? So it is simply more like, see, uh, if you have to calculate n power 5, can you do it in a easier way by just calculating m uh, square, then just to square of this plus 1? Will it make it faster if you know this value? Yeah, it will actually. So simply, this is how this is what is basic concept of binary exponentiation. If you know binary search, then you can just relate from it, right? Now you have to find out the what is actually binary exponentiation by yourself and try to implement this in this question and find out your solution. I can see you a code for binary exponentiation here. You can use this or and try to understand, or later you can just read it by yourself and find it out. Thank you for watching.